guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tony. So for today, what I'm going to do is open another Mermaid Crate subscription box. This is their November 2019 Under the Moonlight box. So if you want to know what's inside, let's check it out. Let's hop into the video. So let's now open this box. This box is kinda late because of the signed book plate. Actually, hindi pa dito kasama yung signed book plate. Mermaid Crate gave the subscribers a choice if they want their box to be shipped without the book plate, tapos isusunod na lang yung book plate, or kasabay na lang yung book plate. So here, Under the Moonlight. Let's open this now. Check out. Parang magaan siya ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung may libro ba to o wala. I guess the things that are included here is very light. Or dahil tagal lang ba ako hindi pagbukas ng box ng Mermaid Crate. Pero I feel like it's super light. Let's open it now. Whoa! I see something. So, of course, Mermaid Crate and their thank you letter as usual. And then their theme card, Under the Moonlight, November 2019. And of course, things here under the theme card, all of the things that are included here. So again, if you don't want to be spoiled, don't read it. Oh, so there are some goodies here, nips, pochi, and frutos. It's in a resealable bag. Let's open it and eat some chocolates. Maybe those then, so kumana ka kayo pa. By the way guys, share ko lang. It is 1 AM. Diba, anong trip ko? Madaling araw na. Ooh! There is a cap, but I don't know from which book is this or March. Hades cap. Cabin 8. So it says here Cabin 8, and Hades cabin is a windowless cabin made of solid obsidian with heavy columns and torches that burn green like Greek. Fire 24 hours a day and house call over the door. Apparently somebody thought that the children of Hades were vampires, not demigods. Okay. Oh, a cap. I can't wear it right now because I have this bun thing in my hair, apple. So I'm going to put this aside. Then what? Ooh, ano dito? Pop socket? What? Use a phone? It says here, love is an enchantress, devious and wild. The wicked deep. Tanggalin natin sa plastic para hindi nag-reflect yung light. There. Very effective. And there's also a sticker. So a quote from the wicked deep. So what more? There is a red scarf that is from Narnia. This is the land of Narnia, said the fawn, where we are now, all that lies between the lamppost and the great castle of Paravel on the eastern sea. So let's see if my designs. Nope, it's plain. Okay, another thing. January, ooh, it's a calendar here, and then pwede ka maglagay ng notes at the back of the calendar. So it's until January until December. It's super duper cute. Hindi ko nga siya pwede lagay. Maybe I could staple it and put it in the wall. One more, as usual, magnetic bookmarks. With which, from which book is this? I'm not sure. I'm trying to give it a guess, pero hindi ko alam kung ano talaga. We'll check later dun sa theme card. Ano to? Why do I feel like it's a necklace? Or a keychain? Let's see. Ooh, no! Ooh! Okay. It is a keychain. One. There are gaps, of course, in ones. There. As you can see. Wingardium Leviosa. It's not Leviosa. So here are there more. Nope, no more. So let's now proceed to the book. This is the book and let's open it. Ooh. Napansin ko walang mermaid bubble. Is that intentional, Ate Jess, or sadyang walang mermaid bubble? Or okay, oh my gosh. I've been waiting for this book. Buti hindi pa ako na-order. Ito pa lang yung nakikita ko, guys. Alam ko na. Woo! Ah! I'm so happy. Winterwood by She Earnshaw. So, as I've mentioned in my other videos, I loved She Earnshaw's The Wicked Deep. So, I've been waiting for her book, this book. So, good thing I didn't order. I didn't know that this would be Mermaid Crate's book for the month of November. So, yes! Oh my gosh. Can't wait to read it. Look at that, guys. It looks good. Oh. Like, seriously? I feel like I want to... Thank you, Mermaid Crate team, for this. Can't wait to read it, and I hope that exceeds my expectations. Okay, that's the things included, so let's read. So, exclusive letter of She for you to read. This letter from She Earnshaw. So it says here, hello Mermaid Crate readers. I wrote most of this book from a small cabin beside a snowy mountain lake, the same lake that inspired the story. I wasn't always certain how this book would end, and I wrote several drafts before the plot finally fell into place. But I hope you will love this eerie but cheap tale as much as I do. Remember, never enter a dark wood unless you know its true age. She Earnshaw. So that letter from her. And then what's next? A BOTM inspired bookmark by Alaris. So this, be careful of dark wood. And Under the Moonlight. Now what else? Have you figured out your golden parent yet? During the cabin 13 is a... Okay. Cabin 13. What did I say a while ago? Cabin 8? Kailangan ko ata, guys, bumalik sa elementary. Bakit cabin 8 yung sinabi ko? It's 13. Actually, my favorite number. babalik na lang ako sa elementary, guys. Kailangan ko ata bumalik sa elementary. So, Narnia red scarf. So, this scarf, and then a Wicked Deep inspired phone pop socket. Here is the pop socket. So, this, natanggal na siya. Where's the pop socket? Oops, yep, here. There. And then, what else? Raven Boy's magnetic bookmarks. Where's the magnetic bookmarks? I'm gonna put guys to that. Raven Boy's magnetic bookmarks. Actually, wala pa akong copy ng Raven Boys, pero malaki nag-recommend, so I'll get copies soon. And then a Elder One keychain. Where did I put the Elder One? Oh, this one. I will put this in my bag. Elder One keychain. And mini 2020 calendar with inspiring quotes from different novels. Oh, really? I didn't know. So many inspiring quotes. Oh, for January, the greatest books have lives of their own. Like this. So, yun guys, that's the things that are included in the Mermaid Crate Under the Moonlight November 2019 box. So, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you like the things included in Mermaid Crate's box, kindly follow their social media accounts. Subscribe to their subscription box if you want. It's price 1,700 plus the shipping fee, and then what else? I can't wait to read this. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So yun guys, that's the things included, and thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe down below and click the bell button so you'll get notified when I upload my next video. So thank you guys again for watching. See you in my next video. Keep smiling, stay positive. Bye!